2014, Paper 1, Question 7. Three natural numbers a, b and c, such that a squared plus b squared equal to c squared form what's referred to as a Pythagorean triplet. In part 1 of the question, you're told that to let a equal to 2n plus 1, b equal to 2n squared plus 2n, and c equal to 2n squared plus 2n plus 1, and pick a natural number and verify that the corresponding values of a, b and c form a Pythagorean triplet. So the easiest thing to do is pick n equal to 1. So a is equal to 2 by 1 plus 1, so a is equal to 3. And b is equal to 2 by 1 squared plus 2 by 1, so b is equal to 4. And c is equal to 2 by 1 squared plus 2 by 1 plus 1, c is equal to 5. So Pythagorean triplet a squared plus b squared is equal to c squared. So our a is 3 squared plus 4 squared is equal to 5 squared. So 9 plus 16 equals 25, and it does. 25 is equal to 25. So therefore we verified that it forms a Pythagorean triplet. Okay, in part 2 of the question, it follows on from this, and it asks to prove that a squared plus b squared equals to c squared using the values given above. A is equal to 2n plus 1, b is equal to 2n squared plus 2n, and c is equal to 2n squared plus 2n plus 1 form a Pythagorean triplet. So just simply fill it in and multiply it out. So that's 2n plus 1 plus 2n squared plus 2n, all to be squared, is equal to 2n squared plus 2n plus 1, all to be squared. So 2n plus 1 by 2n plus 1 plus 2n squared plus 2n by 2n squared plus 2n equals to 2n squared plus 2n plus 1 by 2n squared plus 2n plus 1. And so multiplying it out, we get 4n squared plus 4n plus 1 plus 4n to the power of 4 plus 4n to the power of 3 plus 4n to the power of 3 plus 4n squared equals 4n to the power of 4 plus 4n cubed plus 2n squared plus 4n cubed plus 4n squared plus 2n plus 2n squared plus 2n plus 1. So when we simplify, we get 4n to the power of 4 plus 8n cubed plus 8n squared plus 4n plus 1 equals 4n to the power of 4 plus 8n cubed plus 8n squared plus 4n plus 1. So we've shown that the right-hand side, the left-hand side is equal to the right-hand side, so therefore we can conclude that it's a Pythagorean triplet.